Morning, everybody. My name's Aaron, and this is my partner, Nari, and we are from Toptime. So we're just going to look at the introduction, how Toptime works, and the business of things. So we're all familiar with these paper tickets. These days, you can print them out, but does that make it any easier for the consumer? Right now, we've also got the QR code, but there are too many variables involved, depending on the quality of the scanner, the resolution and the brightness of your screen, and if you have a privacy sticker on your screen, you can forget about scanning the QR code. So we wanted to solve this problem. So what is Toptime? We are a lifestyle application, and we want to provide simply great experiences and remove barriers for consumers. We are focused on two main areas. One is the ticketing and the voucher aspect of things, and the other is how we connect with our consumers to give them these great experiences. So why Toptime, and what do we want to do? We want to remove unnecessary hardware. We want to reduce capital expenditure, which makes us a lot more cost effective. And we want to add value to the users by giving them that added connection. So the user journey will be quite simple. First, they will search and discover events, they buy their tickets or vouchers, and wait a minute, you don't go to any events alone. So we developed a distribution function where you can send tickets off to your friends. Everybody shows up at the event, authenticate a ticket, get your chop or wrist tag, and boom, you're in. So how does Toptime work? There are two preset criteria before the ticket goes live: time and geolocation. So once both criteria are fulfilled, the ticket goes live, and that will just need the user to activate the verification, followed by a door host verification, and it'll be logged into the back end. So now to look at the demo. This is a featured image. So we'll go straight to we've already made some pre-purchase tickets. And if I'm the door host, Nari will just pick a ticket to enter, tap authenticate, give the phone a nice shake. The image will flip over towards me. I just have to verify that this image is correct. Tap it, and you're done. Can we go back? These are just some of the partners that we've already worked with. These are live testing situations. They've paid us modest fees at this point in time, but we look to change that in the future. So just to highlight a few, we've got really good relationships with Red Bull and Belvedere, and we look to work with them more in the future. Now, the monetization of things. Ticket and voucher commissions, along with package rates, are quite straightforward. But we also want to look at how to make it more interesting. Currently now, one of our partners is Kyo, and how do we want to find and identify synergies between our connecting brands? So between Kyo and Belvedere, for instance, all the Kyo guests could receive an add value voucher for them to pre-purchase before they go to the venue. And looking ahead in the next 6 months, what we want to do is we want to integrate a cashless payment system using RFID. So in this case, the consumers would top up their RFID tags with Toptime and use it for in-event purchase. Any leftover credit could be used in the future for Toptime events, or if possible, they could offset their SingTel bill. Now, SingTel and Toptime, we want to provide seamless experiences online to offline. From some of the research that we've done, we noticed that SingTel wants to give their users simply great experiences as well. From the surprise concert by the surprise concert by 21 to sponsoring Zookout and F1. Imagine if for the next surprise concert, for instance, that only SingTel users using Toptime will receive the tickets, and then they could spread the news to their friends. So this would create a much stronger brand synergy and recognition for SingTel. We've also developed a very interesting post-event engagement strategy where we believe that the connection with the consumer doesn't have to stop at the event. So post-event, you can send them a voucher to continue that connection with them and to get them to monetize again. So my name's Aaron, and I've got 10 years brand experience in the marketing area. My partner Nari here, he's got 7 years investment and financial experience and 5 years business development. And our CTO, who couldn't be with us today, is Arden. He's got 20 years programming and system development experience, along with POS. Thank you very much.